Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Galaxy Technology Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Adel, and today I'll be presenting on Oracle RDMS. Oracle RDMS was founded by Lawrence Ellison and other engineers in 1977 as a project for the CIA. It runs on most major platforms, including Windows, Unix, Linux, and Mac OS. Oracle RDMS uses Structured Query Language or SQL for writing and querying data. It organizes data into tables, which are divided into rows or records and columns or fields. A database is an organized collection of structured information or data stored electronically in a computer system. A relational database management system, RDBMS or RDMS, is a common type of database that stores data in tables so it can be used in relation to other stored data sets. Oracle RDMS has many features such as automatic indexing, SQL diagnostics and repair, big data and performance enhancement, automatic SQL plan management, real-time statistics, and hybrid partition tables. Oracle Database, as the first database designed for enterprise-grade computing, is the most flexible and cost-effective way to manage information and applications. Oracle RDMS can be used for managing large amounts of data efficiently and securely. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.